Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. Today we're going to take a look at a 2024 Harris Grand Mariner 230. So it's going to be a 23-foot tri-tune here. A couple of years ago they redesigned this model. So up in the bow we do have our fiberglass bow and beautiful black and blue paneling along the side here. Taking a look at the docking lights up here, it looks really sharp. And then we also have a rounded bow up here, so it's plenty of room to walk on and off the bow. Our flip-up stainless steel cleats, and then as we make our way down the side, you can see the RGB lighting underneath that you can change and rotate through all the colors. We do have a power tower that folds down at a push of a button and a bimini top. And then also a really extended swim platform here. It's going to be easy to get in and out of the water. Ski tow bar and a 300 horsepower Mercury. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. As you can see here, we have a nice starboard entryway inside the boat. This does have a rear facing lounger, so this can be positioned in a couple of different ways, which is really versatile. You can have it into a complete sun pad, or you can pop this seat all the way up and then sit back here facing forwards. We also have our safety railing back here, so you can legally have passengers ride back here underway. Tons of storage underneath the seats, and then we also have a built-in cooler back there as well. All right, so in the cockpit area, we do have our captain and co-captain seating. This has been a really popular layout over the past few years, both of which are high back and do swivel and adjust. Over here, we have some cup holders, a spot to charge your phone and your USB ports. And at the helm, this is a raised helm. We have our tilt steering wheel, our 2 Simrad display screens, so you can pretty much option these however you'd like to set them up with chart plotting, navigation, engine diagnostics. 2 screens does make life a lot easier. And then we do have the upgraded sound. This is JL audio. It's going to be great sound quality across the boat. Digital throttle and shift. We have the 300 on the back, so that does come with the boat as well. And then also our tilt steering wheel. So ergonomically really great helm station here. And as we make our way up to the bow, maximizing our space, we do have in-floor storage right here. And then seating on either side. You're gonna have more storage underneath the cushions, cup holders on either side. Really nice equipped and laid out boat here. Again, this is a 2024 Harris Grand Mariner 230. It's here at our store in Rogers. Come on by and take a look or give us a call. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.